Henke-Sass Wolf, a leading player in medical device technology with approximately 1,200 employees, has been involved in the concept, design, production, and commercialization of innovative, quality livestock injectors and applicators for the past 95 years. With the newest R&D methods, a state-of-the-art production in Germany, and of course, high-quality standards, it guarantees its customers clear benefits in their equipment needs. Henke-Sass Wolf offers a wide range of veterinary syringes. Among them are well-known Hsw Eco Matic Drencher. The Hsw Eco Matic Drencher were developed for oral and pour-on application of solutions for sheep and cattle or multiple dosing of livestock. The ergonomic and user-friendly design, as well as production with high-strength materials, ensures tireless use as well as a long service life. The Hsw Eco Matic Drencher are available in 3 different barrel sizes: 70 milliliters, 30 milliliters, and 12.5 milliliters. The 12.5 milliliters model can also be used as an injector gun. The Hsw Eco Matic Drencher with drench nozzle, tubing, instructions for use. Fixed tube on tubing attachment of the Hsw Eco Matic Drencher. Fix the tube on the attachment of the plastic backpack. The drench nozzle can be adjusted to any angle based on the application by loosening the fixing screw and rotating the nozzle. Adjust the drench gun to the maximum dosage with the nozzle pointed upward at a 45-degree angle. Depress and release handle repeatedly to draw solution into the plastic barrel. If there are air bubbles, repeat the procedure until there are no more. Please pay attention to the fact that the drench gun is completely filled and there are no air bubbles in the plastic barrel. The device is now primed and can be adjusted to any dosage as necessary. Turn the dosing wheel clockwise or counterclockwise until the desired dose is indicated in the window. Remove all traces of material from syringe by flushing thoroughly with a hot water detergent mix. Rinse thoroughly with clean, warm water. Remove the cap nut from the cylinder by rotating. For Hsw Eco Matic Drencher with 12.5 milliliters and 30 milliliters volume, take off the valve with spring and O-ring ahead against a little resistance. Do not pull at the spring. For Hsw Eco Matic with 70 milliliters volume, take out the valve with spring and O-ring by screwing out the valve screw at the front end of the barrel. If necessary, change or clean the valve with spring and O-ring. For Hsw Eco Matic Drencher with 12.5 ml and 30 ml volume, put the valve including spring and O-ring into the barrel and let it click into place against a little resistance. For Hsw Eco Matic with 70 ml volume, put the valve including spring and O-ring from the front into the barrel and fix it by screwing the valve safety screw. Please note that the valve, springs, and O-rings of the Hsw Eco Matic Drencher 12.5 ml and 30 ml are not interchangeable with valves, springs, and O-rings of the Hsw Eco Matic Drencher 70 ml. It is recommended to disinfect the Hsw Eco Matic and accessories before and after each use. Suspend the Hsw Eco Matic Drencher and accessories used for application of solutions in a container of water and boil for at least 20 minutes. Remove the drench gun from container and let it dry. Lubricate O-ring and felt ring with 100% pure olive oil, cold squeezed, or equivalent vegetable oil. Please follow the manufacturer's durability and storage life instruction. Do not use mineral oil, silicone, WD-40, glycerin, or alcohol. Petroleum-based products harden the O-rings, reducing the life of the component. Reassemble the drencher.